My name's Lee Denny. I work for the Duncan Oil Company out of Beaver Creek, Ohio. I'm a commercial fuel salesman. We offer commercial fuels for track hoes, bulldozers, the construction industry, all over Ohio and northern Kentucky. 10 years ago, when I was offered this position, I took it and I wanted to grow the division. We had some kind of crude things that we were working with, just the round tanks with ugly primer and stencil, and I wanted to use it as an advertisement space. So we started out with just taking them old ugly tanks and painting them and putting a nice logo on it. But we had some shortcomings with theft, security, portability, and we had hoped there was a better option. When I was doing my research, I really was looking for something that would separate us from our competition, something that nobody else in this market had. And I found Western Global tanks, and we made the decision to buy some, so we bought 6 on our first round. The biggest thing for us was the assembly. When we bought the round tanks, we had to go and buy the pumps, the vents, and everything that we need to put them together, and then we had to physically put them together. We know when a Western Global tank shows up, all we got to do is throw a decal on it, and it's out in the field making us money. Since we bought the first 6 FuelCubes, roughly 10 years ago, we've grown into exclusively using cube tanks on our job sites. I think we buy probably in the market of 100 a year. We used to have our service techs running all over the planet, changing pumps and fixing things. With these, there's hardly any maintenance at all. Not only do we really like these tanks, but our customers like these tanks. When I take these to a job site, I can open up the lid, show them everything is all tucked inside. It's just a cleaner unit, and it's just a better tank. One thing that buying Western Global tanks has done for us, it has really streamlined everything that we've been doing on the commercial fuels industry side. It just makes everything flow much smoother. There's not as much hustle, bustle, and hassle with everything's right there. We just pick it up and go. When we started out building the commercial fuels division, we really had no game plan of where we was going to go or how we was going to get there. It was all trial and error. Once we came across Western Global tanks, it was a perfect fit, and we were off to the races, and now here we are.